MeghalayaPost.news.
Hapakran kilat pathai kubor halor ke jinglong jingman rilum Garo balami ke jingi kanan na kadaw ke jing persya iki bomde rilum bantep kerteng banyakun hak election MDC Haji DC Bah Prestone tensong kum sembut menteri rang ba ke jelam baru badairu menteri bepeng ya ketanat district council affair ulaong ba omde banwanra ya kamat ILP bat ke jingjia rilum Garo hak ba ke jingjia rilum Garo kamdon jingge dei satya bat ke ILP ulaong ru kini ke jingjia rilum Garo ke tang namar baki pat Garo ki persya iki weipat ki bomde ki rilum bantep vote ne yakun hak election MDC Haji DC bat kamdon ke jinga dei satya bat kamat jing dawa ya ka ILP ula keren syairu hlor ke te jingja wat ka sarkar jelaru kamdon bor ban keren ye henry ka kamram jong sarkar ka long tangban wara ya ka songsuk songsan bat ban penbiang hi bo pahara khnang ba onla ban tem ye ki te jingya kanan ki balakta ya ka songsuk songsan ki pajba baru ban wanra biang ya ka songsuk songsan ki pajba harilum Garo susu ula ongru ba ka sarkar jelaru kamla ban tuklare ka kam election MDC Haji DC namar ka dei ka kamram jong ka yeng durbar thawan ka GHDC ban shna ki kendon ni penkela ban khang ye ke jing thap vote ki wei ki bomdai ki rilum namar ka GHDC ru ki don ka ju ka bor na du ka legislative power judiciary power barwat ka executive power kumbolong ha ka yeng to bar thawan ka jala bat kari.
This is this subject is totally different. You can't link it to ILP because this one is not about the ILP. This is about the election to the Garo Hills District Council.
But the NGO says that.
Well, the NGOs can't say it. But let me also say, you need to understand one thing. That's what I'm telling. Don't mix up with ILP because this one is what the NGO says. No non-tribal be allowed to participate in the election. They cannot file. They cannot file nomination. I think that is the aspiration of these people. So why should you link it with the ILP? And these people also they are genuine citizens of Meghalaya, of India. So therefore, don't link it. Please delink it completely with this incident that has happened in Garo Hills. No. See, let me tell you one thing. The AD rules applies only to the respective district council. Khasi Hills, Janti Hills, yes, we have AD rules, including Garo Hills. But at this juncture, what happened was, in Garo Hills District Council, seems the aspiration of the public is to amend the rules, of the ADC, which is being followed all these years by the people of the Garo Hill sector. No, see, you can't blame the government because this is fully the authority of the district council. As I said to you, this council also they have got the legislative power, they have got judicial power. And also they do have the executive power, more or less like state government, more or less like the central government. So you can't say that the government's failure is there. That's why the law and order drop off. It is not like that. In fact, the district council themselves, if they realize that, they should have had a special session discuss about this issue. Since they already knew it, why not they discuss this issue? Bring it to the district council session and then pass it. Then the next course of action will happen. So therefore, even from the government side, we have no role to play. It is not the duty of the government to say that, hey, you have to pass or you have to do the amendment of this. It is not possible. In fact, they are the leaders. They are the one who has to understand where to amend or where to again incorporate all those existing regulations, laws, rules, and whatever they are. Yes, it is. That's what I'm telling you. After we taking all inputs from all across the Garo sectors, then we decided to postpone this general election, which is scheduled to be held on the 10th of April 2026. Well, this issue is being examined right now. I can't just come to a conclusion, but it appears so. It seems the village, heated these people maybe from the crowd, but as of now, I can't say anything on that. Let the inquiry only goes in detail, and we will be able to tell you exactly. This conversation is taken care of. And then we have already instructed the district administration to make sure that the medical treatment is done has to be provided fully.
So,
As I said, you see right now, I can't say anything about all this because see the concentration of the government as of today is to make sure that the situation is subsided completely. And yes, I think a minutes back I received the information that of course now public started to disperse to their respective places. But yeah, relating to this nitty-gritty of this issue, I will not be able to tell you right now. Let the cabinet decide tomorrow because we are sitting by 5 o'clock in the evening, and then we will again come back to you once the decision is taken by the cabinet. So yesterday we had a number of help in terms of the manpower. So we got that, as I said to you, but ultimately I'm very sure maybe from today onwards, normalcy will again be in place. Well, right now I have not done any assessment on that, but I did not see that impact is there, or it does not impact that. I don't know much because no assessment made. But I'm sure yes, because since we are bordering between Assam and Meghalaya, I think there should be some impact on the election. Be it this council election or be it the state legislative assembly election. Well, as of now, see, since we are yet to take any final conclusion about these issues, so I don't think I need to talk much about it, because again, if you talk about the function of three disc council, it is not, they have a separate entity. They are completely autonomous to the state government. We are not here to dictate the disc council. So we have three disc council. As I said to you, they have their own legislative power. They have their own legislative judicial power, and also they have their own executive power. So since they have that, why should we from state government step in? Why should we say do this? We can't do that. So let the members of the district council themselves in the respective jurisdiction take a call. Right now we don't have, and then as I talk to you right now, in fact the situation has a little bit improved, and then even the public who came out from different parts of Garo Hills, now they start dispersing.
MeghalayaPost.news